The fierce tornado is the embodiment of nature's wrath, where the darkened sky suddenly tears apart as a massive swirling column of wind plunges to the ground. With speeds over 300 kilometers per hour, it sweeps away everything in its path. Houses, trees, even heavy vehicles are tossed into the air like toys. The deafening roar, like thousands of trains rushing toward you, is followed by a world torn apart, leaving only debris and an eerie silence of complete destruction. Vast open fields are often where the largest tornadoes are encountered. As you travel down the roads, the sight before you is truly unbelievable.
Amazing. All right, here we go. Showtime. Oh, getting as close as they can.
The sky begins to form a massive funnel, ready to devour everything in its path.
That's what we came to see. Up this thing. Wow. Its conception.
The rapidly accelerating formation filled me with fear.
You get it? This road doesn't look fancy.
Doesn't it look absolutely terrifying?
There's a tornado can get right there. Oh, getting pounded with the forest of Cain. Don't pull out in front of me, dude. I need to get on this thing.
It crossed the road, and it was a relief that no vehicles were swept away.
Look at this slide.
Luckily, Mother Nature spared the villages, merely passing through the
And there
vast
you
fields.
go. How was that for a show?
And like the earlier scene, this neighborhood was not so fortunate, as it was swept away by a furious tornado. The scene is truly horrifying. Another tornado in the vast open fields. The man was taking a selfie to capture a once-in-a-lifetime moment, but he quickly realized the danger and went to seek shelter. Unfortunately, the tornado swept through a village, leaving everything seemingly tossed about. The footage captured from the car is incredibly vivid, showing just how immense nature's fury can be. If you were in this situation, would you dare to continue on? Definitely not, as it is very dangerous. This is truly the most dangerous tornado I've ever seen. Besides the swirling winds, it's accompanied by lightning. It's really terrifying.
Yeah, very careful, guys.
Very large wedge tornado.
Move south.
Right now. The tornado's on the cross.
Right there. There's the right, guys. Big tornado. Big.
It's truly courageous to capture such valuable footage.
Huge. Oh, look at that. Multiple vortex. Backside's going nuts. Whoa! We gotta get beyond these trees.
It seems like this tornado is heading towards the nearby village. It crossed the road, causing all vehicles to stop. It moved straight towards the village, and no one could stop it anymore. And this is the aftermath it caused. Truly horrifying.